welcome to my channel. So today's problem statement is ranking the records. So I have a table called game scores, where game ID is the primary key for this table, and each row of the table contains the score of the game. Okay. So now I want to basically rank the scores. You got the requirement, right? It's pretty simple. So I just need to give the ranking based on the score. So the highest score will get rank 1, the second highest will get rank 2, and so on. So here there is a catch. If there is a tie, so basically, like say, if two people got the same scores, like say 10 and 10, the rank should be 1 and 1, and the next ranking should be the next consecutive integer value. Basically, it should be 2, not 3. You got it right. So something like this. You have um, an employee ID 10, he scored 100. Employee 20, he scored 100. And employee 30, he scored 90. So my ranking should be something like 1 and 1, and it should be 2, not 3. Okay, so let's discuss this scenario. Let's go to the SQL terminal. I have the create table and insert table statements ready with me. So let's run this. Okay, got it. Let's view the data first. So if I select this, you'll get the game ID and the game score. Okay, now I want to rank them. So we already know, like, we have a function called rank in SQL. So I'll just give game underscore score comma rank over order by game score descending. Basically, we need the highest score to be ranked first, right? So I'll run this. See, we got 1, 1, but here is a catch. We got 3, right? Ideally, my requirement should give me 2. So basically, my reporting requirement is I need to get 2 here. So what we can do? So that's where we have a function called dense rank. So generally, in most of the interviews, they ask you what is the difference between rank and dense rank. So here is the difference. In dense rank, it will rank the consecutive integer. Even though if you have uh, same values, the next consecutive value will have rank 2 instead of 3. So I'll show you. Dense rank or order by game score. Yes. Just give some alias here as rank. Just run this. I think over is missing. Yeah, so 1, 1, and the second person got the second rank. So it satisfied our requirement. So this comes under category of easy questions. So basically, we categorize the questions into multiple types like easy, hard, and medium. So this question is quite simple, but it's little tricky. Means when the interviewer asks you the difference between rank and dense rank, people might get confused. So that's the reason I am explaining clearly here, so that you will get a clear idea what is the exact difference between rank and dense rank. So you can also suggest your approach in the comments, so that it's a learning process, so we all can learn collaboratively. Hope you liked my video. Please do subscribe. Have a great day.